Hey, Steve Hartman here. Exciting news, Charger fans. This morning we had a meeting with, amongst others, Dean Spanos talking about how we move forward for this downtown stadium. A couple of points we want to make. First of all, Dean made it absolutely clear that the Chargers are going to have a full-scale campaign and he's going to be the front guy for that campaign. That's very important. Also, they wanted to make sure that everyone understands the dynamic of the downtown stadium and that it is a stadium for the city of San Diego rather than just the Charger Stadium. So they're getting out in front of this. That's the good news. There's a date of April 23rd. That's a big day coming up when they're going to be gathering signatures. So if you're a registered voter in the city of San Diego, definitely get behind that. We're going to have all kinds of promotions going on to get all the signatures going. I feel really good about this. I told Dean afterwards, I feel like we're going to get this done, but it really comes down to word of mouth. You got to get it out there. For the diehard Charger fans, we get it. But for the other fans that don't quite get it, say, well, why am I building a stadium for the Chargers? Tell them it's not about that. It's about upgrading the city of San Diego. Tell them to do their homework. Look what's happened in Houston. Look what's happened in Indianapolis. Other cities around the country that raised their TOT to rebuild their downtown areas. Every one of those cities have benefited, and they're not San Diego. So forget what the negatives are. Think about the positives. That's certainly what I got out of the meeting today.